Propane explosions damage road, I-5 northbound remains closed. KOIN. Northbound Interstate 5 is closed Tuesday due to a trailer fire, authorities said. Below are your comments. A witness said, "It sounded really loud like Hiroshima. Boom 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 boom." I don't think that witness has brushed up on his WW2 history recently. 00. I feel bad for anyone that lives in Clark County, Washington and has to come to Portland for work. I-5 is a nightmare at the best of times. I hope the driver was able to escape. The driver was reportedly gone. The dispatcher. "Hey Bob, you ever deliver them propane tanks?" Bob. "Deliver? Like how?" "Great, more potholes in a burnt road surface that is already in poor shape. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up."